It started raining hard. Did you hear me? Wait, did I hear me?
Today we're playing with globbles.
Move over.
Hey, they don't know what globbles are. Give me a look. Ow. Did you only have 3?
Yeah. No, I had a green one. I don't know where it went.
These are the globbles. Squishy, squishy. Go get all your fidgets.
No.
That we can fill up. Go get those like little skinny.
Oh, they don't stick.
Yes, they do. Go get them.
They don't stick.
I'll go get them. Oh, wait.
Stop.
Ah, you saw that.
We went outside and left the garage door open.
No one went outside.
Huh. Garage door's open.
You probably
Somebody
left
had
them.
two up.
You probably had to.
I haven't gone out there.
We
Somebody
haven't
went
gone
out there and got their glove and went out that door. So
I didn't go out that door.
I didn't.
Wait, the garage door?
Wait, the garage door was
What
open.
kind of garage door?
This
the
one.
side door.
Oh. That was probably me. Or Sadie, she came in last. Which door did you come from then? Move your leg. What door did you come in?
This one.
It was probably me. You catch that. You catch that now. Wait. Now we're gonna try these.
They don't stick.
Oh, they're like a stretchy thing.
They don't stick.
Just say it out loud, it's fine. Okay, you want to see all these colors, right? Okay. My booty shakes. Up. These are all the colors. Oh, that looks so cool.
Okay, so Kira, come here.
If you want to know all these colors, you have to guess in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so guess the first color. You guessed it. Orange. I meant orange. I meant orange. And then you have to guess this color. Oh, it's not yellow. It's green.
You're up.
Oh, you guessed it. It was green. I meant green. I meant green. And then guess this color. It's pretty easy. Ready, set. Yeah, it's yellow. Yellow, yellow. It's yellow. It's yellow. Oops. You can't see the other color. Peeker. It's yellow.
Okay, Kira, come here. Come here. Kira, come here. Kira.
Okay, moving on.
Kira, come here.
Just wait.
I said, can you come here? And she said, yeah. So you can come out. Sorry.
Addison can come over at like 3.
I said, so you can come over at 3. And she said, yeah, I'm still in town.
Hello, cousin. My other cousins can't hear this. You're my favorite cousin, Addison.
I'm your cousin.
No!
Yeah, I am.
Out of color.
I'm your cousin.
And
Right
you
Right
guessed
here.
it.
I'm your cousin.
No, you're my sister.
No, I'm your cousin.
Addison is watching this right now.
I'm your cousin. I'm from California.
Well, if she wants to spend the night tonight, what's this doing out here?
Oh, she was trying to get the globbles off.
Okay, put it away, Sadie.
If she can spend the night, she can spend
If
the
she
night.
can spend the night, she can spend the night, and I'll just leave in the morning and go up to see Grandma.
Ah. Shake your boo. Shake your boo.
It was just raining.
Just wait.
My dad, you're gonna eat a piece of turd.
Yeah.
Guys, okay. So I'm gonna text my cousin. But my dad said she can sleep over. None of y'all can sleep over. Only my favorite cousin. Happy Father's Day too. I'm sorry.
Kira, give me.
I'm texting Addison.
No.
I can't. I can't. Okay.
Settle down.
Give me it. I love you too. Text Addison that she can sleep over. You just snatched that.
Kira, if you can't settle down, we need you to settle down a bit.
Okay.
Please.
What color is this? Yeah, you guessed it. Blue. I need to get there. It's blue. No. It's tickle-a-boo. Let's see if any of them can stick. Oh. That just yawned in my hair. All I know means something just like a circus. I gotta go. Goodbye. Actually, I have to go in 2 more seconds.